The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic has brought about a new digital revolution. Having said that, this also has been a catalyst for the increase in the number of cybercrimes across the globe. To keep cybercrimes in check and safeguard crucial data, organizations are on the lookout for cybersecurity professionals now more than ever. There is a dearth of cybersecurity professionals compared to the number of job opportunities in this field. So what better than starting a career in cybersecurity? Here we are to help you with that. Get prepared to start your cybersecurity career with us. Simplilearn SkillUp provides the best introduction to the lucrative field of cybersecurity. The best part about it is that it is free. Yes, you can start your cybersecurity learning journey free of cost and get a course completion certificate for the same. Let me take you through the details of our free cybersecurity basics course. Simplilearn SkillUp course on Introduction to Cybersecurity targets beginners who aspire to become cybersecurity professionals. Here, we will acquaint you with cybersecurity from scratch. The topics covered in this course are cybersecurity fundamentals, mitigation, network security controls, BYOD security testing, IS governance, risk management, incident management, and disaster recovery, to name a few. This program helps you get acquainted with the current cybersecurity structure and relevant security tools. The course is 3 hours long and all the modules in it are self-paced video lessons with 90 days of access to the entire course. This allows you to learn at your own pace anytime, anywhere. After completing this course, you are awarded a course completion certificate by Simplilearn. This certificate can be shared within your professional circle. So now you might be thinking, who is eligible to take up this course, right? Well, there are no prerequisites to enroll in this course. Each of you who has a zeal for learning cybersecurity can take up this course irrespective of your experience. Experienced industry experts have specially designed this well-structured beginner's course to enable a smooth learning journey. SkillUp's introductory course is also recommended for those who have some knowledge of cybersecurity but are looking to reskill and upskill themselves with the critical cybersecurity concepts. This course also caters to management professionals, security consultants, and security engineers. This cybersecurity course helps you carry out business impact analysis and disaster recovery testing. So what are you waiting for? Head straight to our SkillUp page and enrich your cybersecurity knowledge by enrolling in our free Introduction to Cybersecurity course. Certifications bring you one step closer to your dreams, and what can get better than a free certificate to strengthen your profile? Back the opportunity and become a cybersecurity expert today.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.